What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about $5,000 days.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, welcome back. Please read the disclaimer. This is not typical results. Obviously, we've been doing this for a while, and we know what we're doing when it comes to affiliate marketing. And my team and myself are crushing it right now. And as you can see by the stats on the screen here, this is today, October 21st. We're almost at $6,000 in revenue. Profit on this particular campaign is probably almost about 100% ROI. So we're spending roughly $3 to make $6. Same for yesterday. Friday we weren't quite as profitable. Friday's typically not as good a day, but we did still turn a profit. But the big money has been coming on the weekends for us. Over the last about month, we've been crushing with this campaign. And it's not just one. We actually have two campaigns running right now, two different offers, and they're both doing very well with ClickBank. So why do I want to show you guys this and talk to you on a Sunday and give you guys an update? Well, I know a lot of you guys are on this channel, follow me because of my affiliate marketing background, and you want you want some more information talking about affiliate stuff. Well, I figured today was a good day on a Sunday afternoon here. People are watching football, doing other stuff, maybe seeing their friends and family. I'm working, okay? So this is, what we do, in affiliate marketing world. We work when other people don't necessarily want to work because of stuff like this, okay? We're making, $3,000 a day right now, and the campaign's running hot, and I don't see an end in sight unless Facebook shuts us down for some reason or the offer gets paused. But I mean, anything could happen. But right now we're crushing it, and these results are achievable, okay, and they're completely doable if you stick with it and you follow your passion and your goals, and you can do this kind of stuff, okay? So what I wanted to say basically today is this didn't happen overnight. I mean, we were testing offers for a while. We finally got one that started converting really well for us. We scaled it up. We spent a lot of money to test it and get it to the point where it was, finding the winner campaigns, and then now it's crushing it, okay? And, we spent about 30 grand, basically about 30 grand breaking even before we actually found the winners, the pixel season and the winning campaigns. So we had to put about 30 grand. We were spending 30, but we were getting 30 back, so we were kind of like breaking even. But we had to float around 30 grand until we got this campaign really hopping, and now we're just crushing it. So hopefully this gives you guys some motivation on a Sunday, seeing numbers like this. I do have a course coming out. We are going to be working on it in November. I've decided to go ahead now that I feel comfortable showing you guys exactly what is working and how it works and how we do this and accomplish this. I wasn't going to put out a course while we were having issues, okay? Now that we've cracked the code again and we figured it out, I'm comfortable putting out a course and giving out the information as a paid training to people that are willing to want to learn it. Obviously, I'm not going to give away the information on these campaigns and some of the stuff that we've learned over the last 6 months. I have these are basically trade secrets, but to my students and people that are willing to have faith in joining me on my next go around for the group coaching and whatnot. If you guys want to join that, this is the stuff we're going to show you guys, and it's working right now. There's proof. I mean, this is this is today, October 21st. It's today, and this is October 20th, yesterday. So these are numbers that are coming in. We're like I said, we're close to 100% ROI on these campaigns, and they're crushing it. So if you guys would like to get more information about the upcoming course, I haven't really started the launch sequence as far as like the emails and stuff go, but I would recommend going on my list. Just go to marketingmeathead.com. Here, I'll show you guys what that is. marketingmeathead.com. That is my blog. I just put a really good blog post up. If you guys want to check out my blog here, I did a real nice blog post on Facebook ads retargeting. I'm running a retargeting campaign right now and having some good success for my Halloween event. And I put a video on how to set up a retargeting campaign in here. There's the video. And then I did a real nice blog post with screenshots. I spent a lot of time on it, so if you guys really want to learn about retargeting, I would suggest going to this blog and reading through this. And then I'll do the Halloween event's going to sell out at some point this week, probably like Thursday or Friday. And obviously I'm going to pause those campaigns when we sell out, and then I'll do a follow-up video I'll put on the bottom of this post showing you guys the results from the retargeting campaign. Okay, so this is a good blog post. I got another one that I wrote, another long, really solid blog post on lookalike audiences, and I'm going to go ahead and try to get that posted either today or tomorrow, possibly tonight or tomorrow. And I got a video to go along with that to show you guys how to set up lookalike audiences if you're interested in that, and that would be on Facebook as well. And I did have another book that I just finished here. I added this yesterday. It's called YouTube Secrets by Sean Cannell and Benji Travis. Pretty good book. It's a quick read. If you guys are interested in that, you can buy it here. And so there's another update on the blog. And then as far as getting on my list, you can always click on that button that says, get started now, or on the blog it says start earning now up here, this button here. All you got to do is just go in and put in your first name, email, and anything you guys want there, and we'll send you out like a little Facebook guide. I'm actually working on a better like lead magnet type of thing. That's going to be like really in depth. It's going to be like a 30 or 40 page document on affiliate marketing and the ins and outs. So it'll be real informational. I don't have it done yet. I'm hoping to finish it up this week. It's a lot of work. It's going to take me a couple long nights to bang that out and get it ready for you guys. But just go ahead and click get started here. Put your first name and email in here, submit, and you'll be on my list. And as I ramp up the launch sequence for my next info, product and coaching, I'll get you guys emails and keep you in the loop on when the live webinars are going to be, so I can show you guys exactly what we're doing. So that's it. That's really all I have for you guys on a Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed getting some motivation, seeing $5,000, well actually $6,000 days. I named the video 5K days, and this is definitely 5K days we're having. So we are into the money again, and it's a good feeling. And we are crushing a couple campaigns on ClickBank. And we actually have another campaign on a different network that's starting to crush a little bit too, and a Pinterest campaign. So I got some more information coming up on that later this week on a Pinterest campaign we're running. And I hope you guys enjoyed today. And if you did learn something, or you are excited to see these kind of numbers, I would appreciate a comment below. Go ahead and moon up the likes on this video. And if you are new to the channel, leave me a comment below. Go ahead and subscribe and bang the notifications bell. I am the Marketing Meathead. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.